Welcome to this tutorial. Every company today is sitting on data, but very few are actually using it intelligently. In this video, we are going to see like a complete blueprint, like not just dashboards, but a smart data system built using a Power BI. We'll go through like understand what the raw data to the structures model and how it can be like AI powered insights. Okay, so, structuring the truth like the semantic model, before we even think about dashboards or AI, we need one thing, a single source of truth. This is where the semantic model comes in. Think of it like the brain of your data system. It organizes the raw data into meaningful, connected information. Without this layer, your reports will always be inconsistent. With that, everything becomes reliable. Now let's structure the data properly using a star schema. At the center, we have the fact table. This is your core business data like sales or transactions. Surrounding it are dimensional tables, things like dates, customer, product. This structure makes your data faster, cleaner, and easier to analyze. If your model is strong, your reports become effortless. Now comes the exciting part, like the exploration. This is where analysts actually interacts with data, finding patterns, trends, and insights. Power BI makes it super powerful with visuals and filters. But remember, exploration is only as good as the structure behind it. Now let's bring AI in. Power BI isn't just about charts anymore. It can generate insights, explain the trends, and even suggest narratives. With AI features like Copilot, we can literally ask questions in natural language and get instant insights. So this is where things get very powerful. Like we are not just visualizing the data, we are actually analyzing it intelligently. Power BI can detect anomalies, forecast trends, cluster data, and even run advanced calculations. This is where analytics becomes predictive, not just descriptive. So, as we know, like the bad data will obviously lead us for the bad decisions. Okay, that's why data quality is very important and it's very critical as well. So, using Power Query, we clean, transform, and validate the data before it even reaches the dashboard. If you fix your data at the source, everything downstream improves. So here we diagnose the data, column quality, distribution, and profiling help us understand what's really inside the data set. This step helps identify errors, outliners, and inconsistencies early. Think of it like a health check of your data. So you're like profiling features like column quality and column distribution, column profile. So like visual output, whether there's any valid data is there or it's an error or there's an empty column. So that's one. And for analytical purpose, so this is like high level data. It can be used checks, okay, visualizing the distribution of values. So, row distribution. So, here we can analyze how data is basically being distributed. Are there patterns, outliers, or skewness? These insights are critical when building models or making the decisions. A simple histogram can reveal more than a complex dashboard. So basically, it can answer like questions like how many rows does it make this predicts come from by providing visual distribution directly each column under each column. So histogram displays the exact distribution of values within a query. So we have something like fuzzy matching. So the data that we get is the raw data. It will be messy. Okay. So some names or anything will not match, or the formats might differ, and the duplicates will exist. So fuzzy matching helps solve this by identifying the similar values, even if they are not identical. This is a game changer for data cleansing. So in fuzzy matching, like the key mechanism, it uses the NLP, that is natural language processing, to break words or text phrases down into smaller chunks for analysis. We'll understand this in detail as well. So as you can just see the example, like this is just like Microsoft is written, and here into like the I is missing, but it is like analyzing because it has broken down into smaller chunks and it analyzes that these two words are similar. So now we move into like part of a machine learning. So clustering automatically groups similar data points together. This helps in customer. This helps customer segmentation, behavior analysis, and pattern discovery. Instead of guessing, we let the algorithm find a hidden structure. So here into clustering, like raw text pieces will be there. Then NLP, like using the natural language processing, like it will match it, and the final output will be like similar to each other. Natural language processing allows users to interact with data using the plain English, but tuning is important. Adjusting similarities, thresholds, categorization, grouping ensures accurate results. This makes your system smarter and more user friendly. This is a complete system, a strong structure layer like data profiling, fuzzy matching, then a clean and validated quality layer like the structured layer, maybe a star schema that needs to be used, and then an intelligence layer powered by AI like a copilot and forecasting then be done. So clean data is structured into a single source of truth, like into a semantic model, which acts as the required foundation for trustworthy generative AI predictive and insights. Let's summarize the entire blueprint. So the structures are like cementing model, which are like single source of truth, and either like a star schema, DAX, and the relationships will be used here. Into quality, your data should be clean and properly validated. Then LLP fuzzy matching will take place, and the clustering algorithm will work properly. And in intelligence, like AI Power Insights, like explorative work, Power BI Copilot is also there, and built-in forecasting and analysis. If you combine like these three, we can just build a dashboard and we can build it very intelligently. So hope you guys have understood this video. Thanks for watching.